Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a banana cake. I'm going to teach my friend how to make a banana cake. And remember guys, I'm not perfect, but practice makes perfect. So we're going to make a banana cake and we are going to dive into the ingredients right away. And these are the ingredients. Carol, say hi to the people.
Hi! Today I'm here just waiting to eat a cake.
Yeah, that is Carlo. And let us now dive into the ingredients. So these are our today's ingredients. We have some bananas here. We have blue band. We have some flour. We have eggs, cooking oil, baking powder, milk, some sugar, salt, and bicarbonate of soda. So that is all we have for our those are the ingredients for our cake, and we are going to start by mashing the bananas. We are going to start by blending the bananas. We're going to blend the bananas. Four of them, only four.
So I say we have already washed everything. Everything is very clean. But you normally you use the very ripe bananas, or
yeah, the ripe bananas.
The very ripe bananas are the best. So you said we are putting four of them. Four. Then that is the good one. So I slashed them a bit. So guys, we are blending the bananas. And my teacher has told me that the very ripe bananas are the best.
They are the best. Then you're going to add some milk.
So we add some milk. A glass?
Yeah. A glass of milk.
So a glass of milk.
And here I'm going to put the blue band, mix the blue band and sugar.
So then I like this.
Let's see, 1 minute.
So we are blending the bananas without milk for 1 minute.
So I'm going to mix the blue band and some sugar. You're going to mix the dry ingredients.
So the dry ingredients are flour,
salt, this one, and baking powder.
So what
You're going to mix
amount?
them.
I start with anything.
Yeah, a half teaspoon of salt.
So these are I put like this. So you've said for salt is
Just a pinch of salt.
so is this enough?
Add some more. Enough. That is enough.
So guys,
That is a pinch of salt.
so we are making a 1 kg cake, or
Yeah, a 1 kg cake.
and then the soda.
That is the baking soda.
The baking soda.
Bicarbonate of soda.
Yeah, the bicarbonate of soda.
And I am mixing the wet ingredients.
Oh, so the wet ingredients are mayai.
Mayai, the blended bananas.
So this is enough.
Add some more. That is enough.
These are so guys, again, almost the same amount as for the salt. Then I add unga.
Yeah, flour.
I add flour. Wait it. So this is around 2 glasses of flour. Yeah.
And I'm mixing the sugar. No, because I already put.
Oh, you already put some sugar there.
So I'm mixing the eggs one by one for a proper mixture, for a good mixture. So I'm adding one by one for a good mixture. The eggs are 5.
So 5 eggs. So at least I have learned that we have some wet ingredients.
Oh my goodness. But
Wet,
it's okay.
Yeah. Wet ingredients and dry ingredients.
Yeah. You mix the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients separately, then we mix later. And this is the outcome of our cake. My goodness, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Wow. Hey, it has come
So
out
perfect.
nice. So guys, that is the result. That is the results of what we have cooked.
Let us try to cut it and see the inside. It's fluffy. Wow, wow, so perfect. Wow.
Guys, just look at it. Perfect.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's very soft.
Spongy.
Guys, nisikie mtu akisema we are not cooks, eh? Wow.
Finally. Thank you so much for having us, and kindly subscribe to our channels, Joyce Maina and Carol Kamondo. And if you want to try this cake, you can as well watch the video and save the procedure for future. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and bye. Tamu kai. Wow.
So guys, me I can't leave you like that. Lazima niwafilishe. Just see. It's so sweet. It's so yummy.
Never thought I'd end it with a fight. I made. If it's for the better, can't say that I didn't try. I tried. Why'd I get the feeling I was living in disguise? Was I? Guess that I was dealing with the love that wasn't mine. Not mine. What was the use if we only lose? When there's nothing to say, so you just leave a space. Oh baby, first one to move, we're broken in two. 'Cause there's no give and take when we both pull away. Oh baby, I'm not gonna forget, but I'm gonna miss your lessons. I'm not feeling it yet, but I'm gonna miss your lessons. If it's not for my best, guess I'm gonna miss your lessons. Now it's all off my chest, and I'm gonna miss your lessons. So tell me why you tell me you're crying when your eyes are dry. You can help but smile when you tell a lie. Think I would've noticed when I fell behind you. You can leave, you can take the memories that you made with me, 'cause I'm not holding